Hello and welcome to this tutorial video for employers on how to get access to knowledge and guidance on MyGenie. MyGenie is a unique platform that brings together top employers and high-caliber talent in a synergistic way. It offers a wealth of information, ideas, and views, as well as valuable tools, pioneering products, competency advisory services, great benefits, world-class account management, and responsive service desk to all its stakeholders. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the Ideas and Views feature to access the wealth of knowledge and guidance available to you as a MyGenie user. So, without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. In the login page, enter your credentials, your username and password, and click on the Submit button to log into MyGenie. Now you have entered into the main dashboard, and in the right side you can see there is Ideas and Views section. If you click on this button here, you can expand this section like this. Here you will find lots of ideas, white papers, and point of views from subject matter experts are posted. Scroll down below and click on this right arrow to go to the next page. You can view the full detailed post by clicking on View Details button. So here you can see the full article. You can also give reaction to a post by simply hovering the mouse over here and clicking on one of these reactions. To make a comment, click on this comment icon and type your comment. After typing the comment, click on this icon to place your comment. Furthermore, you can initiate a search for ideas, viewpoints, and white papers like these by clicking on the Search Criteria button. So here, as you can see, there are 5 search criteria such as industry, department, discipline, focus area, and specialization. Select your desired industry from this list. You can also type here and select like this. Now select your desired department. Then select the discipline. Select the focus area. Here, simply type the specialization you are looking for. Now click the search icon here to see the results. This is where you get to see the search results, so, for my query there is only one outcome that is being displayed here. Cancel search button allows you to clear your search. MyGenie also empowers you to share your valuable insights with the community by posting your own ideas and points of view. If you want to post your own ideas and points of view, then click here. In this pop-up you have to fill up the mandatory fields marked with red asterisks. For better understanding, let's start with title. Enter your post title here. Here, enter the whole content that you want to post. If you want to upload any image, come here and click on Choose File. Then select and open the image that you want to upload. If you'd like to insert a link to a website or web page in your post, enter that link here. Select the relevant industry, department, discipline and focus area of your post. Also, you can enter the specialization here in this field. Now finally select where you want to post this content. If you want to post this only in Ideas and Views section, then just click on Done. And if you want to post this in the blogs as well, then check Post in Blogs checkbox here and click on Done to post it. If you want to post this only in blogs, then, before clicking Done, please uncheck Post in Ideas and Views checkbox. You can also post photo, video or write articles similarly. By now, you should have gained a comprehensive understanding of how to effectively utilize the Ideas and Views feature of MyGenie. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We aimed to ensure that this was presented in a simple and easily understandable manner, ensuring your understanding and confidence in navigating the platform and harness its full potential. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing your success as you leverage MyGenie's powerful features and resources.